So emzilikazi thina culture yethu vele is deeply rooted in soccer. There's a common joke but emzilikazi wemakhokoba ungajikilitshe you are most likely a soccer player or is they're soccer player mbenisela. So I think lokhu kuinspire ukuthi ungacheck izindlu zethu emzilikazi ngabo 2 bedrooms esikhathini esiningi. So izindlu zabo khokho lezi balutshwane abazali ngathi kuthiwa umama mbe nobaba abathenga izindlu babethenga eCalis but izinto eziningi vele lapha zazionwa ngabo Masgriza. So khona kyana uyakuhlala lo Masgriza labantwana bakhe abomalume mbene ngabamncane ulale sitting room awula sikhathi sokuthi ukwanisa ukuchila endlini. So the only thing ozayenza nxa uvuka ngo6 ekseni ikuphuma ethareni kunokenzakala ibhora.
So asikhayela ama-soccer players avele emzilikazi, famous soccer players. I know Johan is the Gozo brothers. Ngoba nabanye.
We have Ezro Mnyandoro. We have Uthabani Moyo. We have ama-twins, Kelvin, Elvis. We have Ukula Kwashe Mahachi. We have Ugifty Lunga, Ankeli. We have ama-soccer players. Kenny Piri, Tabani Koredema. We have Junior Makunike, Oshelton, Elton Spanda, current even the former players, players.
Like umuntu ongawazinzi lekaza obiyeleyo kanti let's get like geography demarcation emzilikazi. Yazi kulo A kulo B, could you guide us through
so
and famous sports also?
Imzilikazi ihlukaniswa ngama letters, so it's A up to Z but asila I not W, so it's A to Z and then we have townships that surround Imzilikazi. We consider them part of Imzilikazi. Iton group imakhokoba ipapa fields nemboyentsha abantwana bethu so abemakhokoba abanye bazonda nxa sithi imakhokoba under Mzilikazi bona bathi Imzilikazi under makhokoba but basically that's Imzilikazi. We also have ama-flats, iThokozani flats, Mhlophe flats, le Sochangani.
Okay.
Yeah.